Okay, welcome. This is Gabriel, the Forex Helper, for another update. Let me see. The date is Wednesday, March 18th. All right, so I made a couple of other videos before this one talking about crowd behavior and a couple of other things. On this video, I'm going to be going through some of these accounts as well, and I'll also talk about the importance of just preparing yourself financially. All right, there's different ways to prepare yourself. Obviously, I don't place preparing yourself financially on the top of the list. I really don't. Me personally, I think one should prepare themselves spiritually first, and everything else is secondary. Okay, but I do talk about those matters, but not on this platform. Okay. This platform is the Forex Helper, and so I will talk about, from the financial standpoint, how one should prepare themselves. And to be more specific, the financial global outlook of things right now is not looking pretty at all, okay? And I'm of the belief that there will come a time when the elite will cause a global reset, all right, where before this pandemic took place, there was a overvaluation of the markets, particularly the S&P 500, the U.S. markets. Okay, now what we see is a devaluation taking place, and I believe that this devaluation will continue to take place ultimately to this point. All right, I don't know about the time frame. This is just this is just my opinion. I'm just of this opinion, of this belief that ultimately the digital currency will eventually take over. And that will be the new way of doing things, because there's benefits to the digital currency, okay? And that will implement both the monetary aspect of it and the identity aspect of it. Those are two areas where money and identity will merge into one, okay? And so the digital currency that we have now is a precursor, if not the actual platform that we're going to use. I don't know, but it definitely will play a part in pretty much eliminating cash, devaluing the systems, the financial systems of the government, and creating something that's more one for the whole world, as opposed to what we currently see right now. So all of these things, I believe, will play a part. And with me saying that, let me go ahead and go through these accounts. So this account here, this is one of our clients that actually has a Bitcoin account. All right, this is one way, by the way, you can grow your Bitcoin. If you want to start now, you can do that. All right, ask me how. All right, let's see. So that is one way of growing your Bitcoin. But as far as, let me go back to the conversation, the topic I just brought up. This person collected $37. They're at $215 US. So preparing yourself financially, you got to have some kind of plan long term. Now, the good thing about this is, I have resources available for long term, short term, midterm. And if you want to learn the whole thing, I have not account management, but I do have mentorship that's also available if you want to learn that. Okay. Let's see here. This account is actually the account that's for the network. All right. It's already up 2 million bits, guys. All right. This is CMV, by the way, current market value. But let's look at a couple of clients. Actually, I don't want to look at that. I want to look at some clients. Here's a fairly new client that recently joined us. We've collected $368. Now there's a running trade of $700. I'm going to go ahead and collect that as well. Times are changing. Some people don't want to accept it. Or maybe, hey, like I said, I don't know. I don't claim to know it all. I'm not trying to, but I could be wrong. Maybe the cash system, the banking system, the current financial system that we have now will continue going the way it's going to go for another 30, 40, 50 years. Okay, fine. And that might not ever happen, what I just propose or what I entertain the idea of possibly what could happen, okay? But I'm of the opinion that that will happen. But let's say it doesn't happen, okay? Whether it does or whether it doesn't, let's just go on that point. This person's at $1,000. All right. Oh, this person, yeah. This person has been making a lot of money with us, actually. Let me see. Last week they collected $3,000. See, for the month, deposit, credited. Yeah, so they're like $3,000 plus another $400 already collected plus a running trade of $1,000. Okay. Let's say it doesn't happen. If it does or it doesn't, what are you gonna do for your financial plan, for account growth? What are you gonna do for your long-term investment plan? What's the plan? What does it include? Does it include something that's accessible to you? Does it include something that will work for you? You know, I highly encourage you be part of this network. I mean, I can't say it enough. All right, let's see what's going on with this account. All right, this person, their account isn't being traded on, or is it? Oh, they collected. Okay. All right. That's good. Nothing wrong with that. That's good. So they collected $3,000, $2,900. Okay, good. All right. So I'm pretty sure they're happy. So they're at what? Credit and then the balance in that. Okay, so they made close to 3,000. So we'll place some more trades on their account. And I think I'm gonna stop right here. So I mean, guys, this is it. What you see is what you get. You can try it out. We have 10 days free trial. And to close off on that final point, you know, in the ebook I explained you should give yourself at least 90 days. I say 90 days because that's the average. Okay. Now I've had some members, they've had 90 days and they say, well, Gabriel, I gave 90 days and it didn't really pan out how I expected. Well, then give 180 then. Give more. This is a journey. I say 90 days because it's an average. There's an average of 90 days where you'll be able to start seeing things really go in the direction that you're wanting it to go using our system. Sometimes it's more sooner than that. Okay. Now, there are times in the market where we're going to run into some rough patches. That's normal. Okay. That's expected. All right. And some storms can be brutal. All right. Now, this is a brutal storm, by the way. It doesn't look like it on our side. Okay. Because, again, the way that our system is set up. But if you turn on the news and you're a part of that world of financial trading, oh my goodness. Guys, if you're watching this and you're a part of that, just open your mind. Just be open. That's all I can say. Be open-minded to another possibility, another option here. Okay, this person just signed up today. I recognize this name. I get the stuff that comes across my email. This person just signed up today and they're already at $600 to $700. Wow. I know they're probably ecstatic. They're happy. Okay. And then you collect your profit as you desire. You know, we'll do what we got to do. You do your part. We work together. Just be on the same page. All right. Very important that you be on the same page as we are. And it'll work out for you. All right. Gabriel, the Forex Helper. Happy trading. Happy trading. Happy investing.